I'll just hold this ferry thing in my hand, shall I? Anyway, I don't quite know why I said that. Welcome.
Hello.
Yes, welcome back to whatever it is that we are. We're just going to give you an update because I think the last video we did was. Do you remember? Oh, it was hacks, wasn't it? Motorhome hacks.
Oh yes.
And we did say we were going to do a video after that, but we haven't, have we?
No, we've been quite busy.
We have. We've been travelling around quite a lot, doing a bit of training, and you now find us in, of all places,
the Isle of Wight.
Yes. Where are we?
We're on the White Link ferries.
We're not on it, are we?
On
At the terminal. This is our big change for the 5 months, isn't it? We're off to work on a campsite. And we thought it would be quite interesting for you to come along and experience the journey. So we're here. That's the ferry terminal. And this camper van's never been on a ferry.
No.
So we're off onto the ferry. And we'll take you along for the experience.
I don't think Isla's been on a ferry.
No, I don't think she has. And we'll see how it is. Yeah. We'll probably show you the dog area and stuff. Yeah, and get a brew. I don't think we're on for very long. Is it about 40 minutes?
Yeah, but that's enough.
It is. I think we got here quite early, so we might be on here for waiting quite some time. It's not quite like the Channel Tunnel, is it?
No, but it's organised well.
Yes, yeah, and no, obviously because we're not going abroad, there's no passports or anything to worry about.
I know, that's brilliant.
I haven't even checked the LPG though, if you think.
No.
Oh, we go. Anyway, so
it is turned off, isn't it?
Yeah, it is definitely. We'll do some more videoing once we're on the ferry. Yeah. That's it, we're on. Let's go and see what the facilities are like. I think we're on early. Anyway, doesn't matter. I need a jumper. Stop filming me. It's rather nice, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Beautiful day for it. We're just leaving the harbour at Portsmouth. Straight on, straight out. We obviously got here early enough to go the earlier ferry, the hour earlier. So here we go. Sneaky muffin. It's not so bad, is it, Isla? No. Quite relaxing. Being treated to some stunning weather.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to last though.
Well, it has lasted. We've been here nearly, how long have we been here?
3 weeks.
Yeah, so it's been beautiful for 3 weeks. We are currently working as campsite wardens. We're not going to say who we're working for or whereabouts we're working. It's just we are working. We definitely are working. It's quite hard work, but we've committed to 5 months of doing this. And what we thought we'd do is at the end of the 5 months is we'll do a video just explaining, for those of you who might want to be considering doing something like this, what it's like, really.
Yeah.
Warts and all, I think, because there's an aircraft going over. We are near a small airfield, but I think that'd be useful for everybody. But that's not what the purpose of today's video
No,
is.
no.
Today we're going to go on a bike ride.
On an adventure
Well, yeah, we don't quite know where it's going to end up. Well, we do. We're going to go to Cows.
on the Squirrel Trail.
Yeah, Red Squirrel Trail.
Oh, the Red Squirrel Trail.
So we're going to cycle on the. There's a disused railway line in the Isleofwight, or on the Isleofwight, which we're going to take advantage of. So we don't have to go on the roads very much, and bike over to Cows, find a nice cafe, and I've
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, absolutely.
Fingers crossed.
And I spotted a nice Artisan Bakery to stock up on.
Sourdough bread.
Yep, because we haven't got a car here, so we're having to take grocery deliveries, which we're not too keen on, but we're doing that at the moment. So we're going to see if we can find some decent bread, and just have an enjoyable day, because it's our day off. God, we need the day off.
Well, we have 2 days. We have tomorrow off as well, remember? But I think it's going to rain.
Tomorrow is, yeah.
Yeah.
But I think from us, it's just an explanation of how hard the work is. Yeah.
But it is enjoyable, though.
Yeah.
Finito.
Finito, what does that mean?
That's it.
What do you mean that's it? Oh, I'm not allowed to say anything else?
No.
Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, that's fine. So what we'll do is we'll saddle up. We've got a lycra on, and we're suitably padded. Yes.
In the right places.
We'll get Isla hitched up onto the trailer, and we'll show you that. And then we'll set off.
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is the big moment for Isla. She loves going in here, so Kerry's now going to strap her in. In you go, Isles.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh.
We haven't opened it up yet. You have to wait. I know, you have to wait.
In she goes.
I haven't even opened it up yet. Wait. Come on then.
Hello. Hello.
Right.
Right, Kerry's just strapping her in so that we've got her secure, because we don't want her jumping out, of course.
Go back.
Not that I think
Go
she
to the
would,
front.
but Isla, good girl.
Come on.
Your large head is in the way, Kerry.
And I can't. Isla. I can't find the.
Oh no, it's behind you. It's at the back, isn't it?
It should be under. Oh, it's there.
Seamless. This is seamless as usual.
This is going. Here we go. I've put the. We've
You've
got
strapped
two,
it to the wrong
we've
way.
Got 2 leads.
One at the top, one at the bottom, so that she
Yeah.
can't move. And she can stick her head out, and she does.
But she can't go too far forward,
Yeah.
and she can't go.
So there she is,
out
happy.
back. But I need to.
Strap her in, or secure the back.
The back.
What do you think, Miles? Yeah, what do you think? So this is the setup, hooked to my bike,
So it's all safe.
and it all works really well. Rucksack on the top.
Rucksack on the top so it can't move.
We're ready to go, aren't we?
We are. Isla's ready to go, aren't you? Yeah, you can't
Okay.
wait.
Helmets on, time to go.
Yeah.
What have you just eaten?
I've eaten egg and spinach in a bread bun, but cooked that way, and it was really good. And a Chelsea bun with loads of raisins and cinnamon.
So what's the bakery called? Remember? I can't remember what it was called.
Was it the old mill?
It might be something like that, but it's in Cowes. It's an Artisan Bakery and it's superb. We've also bought a couple of sourdough loaves to put in the freezer.
Yep.
So it's perfect.
I was very hungry.
Yes. Oh yeah, you ate all your Chelsea bun, which I didn't expect you to really. But anyway.
Well, you already had one. You don't need two.
No. I was thinking we were going to share one. Anyway.
Oh, did I eat? No, didn't you have one then?
Yes.
Oh. I was so Oh, I thought you meant that I ate it all without giving you any.
So we'll have a quick tour around Cowes West. Yep. And then we might take the ferry over to Cowes East, but I'm not sure the cycling back's as friendly. But it would be a shame not to go there, wouldn't it? Okay. The jet boat's just turned up, the ferry, but I missed it, so you'll just have to imagine that being here. Sun, shade.
Yes.
That's us done, isn't it? Most of the Red Squirrel Trail done.
And to top it off, we actually saw a red squirrel.
We did. It was lovely, wasn't it, to see the red squirrel?
Scampering along the hedge.
Didn't seem particularly scared of us, did it? It just sort of
No.
ran along the edge of the path.
Yeah.
But we'd done I think it was about 24 miles.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh, more than I thought.
Cycled through Newport to Cowes. Cowes was nicer than I thought it was going to be, actually. It was quite pleasant.
I always thought it was going to be nice.
We had a lovely, as you saw, egg in a bun thing. Well, I can't describe it. Ricotta. No, it wasn't ricotta. Anyway, some cheese and spinach. It was lovely, don't get me wrong.
Was there cheese on it?
Yeah, definitely. Oh. And then we had that enormous Chelsea bun. That was from what bakery was that called again? Because we got it wrong earlier, didn't we? Oh, we've forgotten again.
The Lost Mill Bakery.
Yes, but we did spot another one, which we'll have to try next time we go, because they both look really good. Then we went to the beach just up the way, something Cove, but I can't remember what it was. But we thought it was down a cliff, but it wasn't. You could cycle all the way there. There was an area that wasn't dog friendly in the summertime, which is fine. But there was an area we went to which was.
Just further along.
And Isla had a lovely time in the water. Cycled back through Newport, stopped at the art centre for a drink, which looked lovely.
It was.
In fact, Newport looked nicer than I thought it was going to be.
Why are you always thinking things aren't going to be nice?
Well, because I read on the internet that they weren't.
Well, why is the internet?
Well,
you don't have to believe stuff.
Well, I know, but I just got informed by it.
Seeing is believing.
Well, exactly.
Yes.
Sound a bit grumpy. Maybe you're a bit tired.
I think it was called Key Arts.
You're a bit tired?
No.
Are you sure? He's a bit grumpy.
Newport Key Arts.
Are you grumpy?
We had a nice drink outside.
He's ignoring me now.
Yep, that's the best thing to do.
We did, and then cycled back. Kerry had a bit of a sore bottom.
Well, you keep saying that. You've never mentioned yours.
Mine's fine.
Yours is always fine.
It's a hardened. Oh, look, first swift of the swallow of the season. How lovely.
Oh.
So no, in summary, we've prattled on quite a long time.
Yeah.
It was a really nice ride, wasn't it?
It was.
We really enjoyed it. So I would
do
recommend
it again.
Yeah, definitely recommend it. Most of it's traffic free. It's good. Really good.
It was really nice.
And with that, we'll wish you adieu. What was that for?
I don't know. I didn't know what you were going to say then.
And we will probably make another video, but we're not going to make loads whilst we're working, because to be fair, most of the time we're absolutely shattered.
And we're working.
Yeah. So, but we'll try. So I can't tell you when the next one will be,
No.
or what it'll be,
No.
but it'll be something. So hopefully you'll catch us on the next one.
Bye.
Bye for now.